Good morning, everyone, and the traders, especially the market in the USA for January 2022 on the 27th. We got the market kind of look. It's not pretty good looking at all, but it's still pretty normal today, even up and down a little bit. But so we got the energies kind of went up like 58.33%, and finance 51.61%, and all the technology about 40-some%, and the lowest one is consumer staples and communication service and auto materials and real estate, consumer, discretionary, industry, healthcare, utilities, all of them under 50%. So whoever want to buy stock today should focus on energy and finance. It's getting up really pretty good because that's more than 50%. That's good enough. And you can read the news on the chart, especially the keyword and the thing we can see as US dollar went up, energy went up. Yep, that's the main thing. And the gold went down. The gold went down is good. Always US dollars went up and the gold went down. And especially US dollars went up, they're holding the economy. So all the currencies we can see all here are US dollar compared with like Bitcoin, Europe, Ethereum, and all Japanese, Sweden, Mexican money, all of them kind of red a little bit, but especially US dollars is up, and in the finance charge, and especially some of the stock in the bank system or the finance credit is up. And they're holding the value really well. They won't move much, you won't have much interest, but save money. Listen, so those soybean you can see, especially soybean getting up a little bit, especially wheat, and those things like rice went down. It's not that high. But we can see S&P 500 is kind of up a little bit, and NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and the four of them today, like all the indicators will be goes up slowly, not that much, but they do go up today. It's a market focusing on the world food value kind of like after the pandemic or in the times right now is kind of high, and the demands for the U.S. saw him raising. Russian economy faltering. It's kind of a little slowly goes down, and Russian currency is very low, in 14 months. And Lunar New Year will start on February 1st. Yes, the correlation for all the Asian use the lunar calendars. Politic effect in China is exported to Ukraine and ran slowly in Brazil harvest. Those new we need to know, of course. Very special corn you can gain export 28% in this year. Little bit demand export lies up 22%. At like corn, GE, and the country moving in bill is like Brazil, which is favorable in Serena. So the main information is corn went up, and especially a lot of state in the U.S. is not not growing corn right now, not taking anything, but inside their storages, they still saving a lot of corn. Until they sell it, they can sell it anytime. Or the company who was buy it, or they bought from the farmers, and they can sell it too, and they gain a lot of money. See, a few days ago, in last week, this corn went down. Right now, this go up really well. So soybean and the menu, we can see in the soybean, the sport soybean, they kind of low, not that good like corn. Because even though export or import, we don't import anything, especially in the U.S. We get really good source of soybeans, and a lot the country on the world have to buy it from us. So why? Because we have really good environments here. We got really special genetic of soybeans and a lot of different kind of bean beside like peanut or something. That a lot of stuff. So especially wheat. So Canadian is about 41% this year. They kind of like drop a little bit between the relationship in politics with like it's not that good. That's why they kind of drop there. So, but anyway, weekly selling we always raise. The whole thing raise up. Russia lost 21%. And Chinese building stores, what this mean? That means they're investing. It's kind of lacking a little bit. Livestock. So, actually, pork production, that's what I like to look for, because when pork and all the meat products like chicken, beef, and sheep or pork kind of foods, everything went down like this or going down like this is perfect, because they will pull the food price down a little bit for all American. We need that, especially. What you see on the screen is do not trade option in this time at all, because we lose. Yeah. Because the option is really high risk. All my students shouldn't touch it. And now we go to, for the first one today is SOND. SOND is very, very good and royal company. Why? Because be careful, we got like SOND in the US and SOND out of the US. Pick the one in the US. Sorting Holdings, Sorters Holdings, $8 right now, and we should buy it from around 7.5. Keep from 7.5 to 7, because they're holding the value really, really well. You can buy under 8 to be okay, but to be safe, because it's a whole $1 billion company, $2 billion, because the lowest is 7 and highest is 8.9. Because this company like holding really, really good, because just over $1, not even $2. And we can take a look on a little bit. Yeah, they don't have any reporting yet. And the second company we look for today is T, just the letter T. Be careful, we got a lot of different company outside of the country. Its name is T. The T we have in here is AT&T. AT&T is one of famous and big company. We can get really good, even though the map is going to be up and up, but the safe price we keep around 25, slow down to 24 in order to make good profit. We can see on the map they show it's going up, but we can buy the V1 because the V1 right now is $24. We need to buy it lower than that. But when we see on the map, whatever the map is like, but right now is 24 and we 24.24 and we can buy from 24 to 23 now. Yeah, that's pretty good to make money because that's in the lowest area right now. The lowest is 22 and highest is 33. And thank you very much. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow.